The stocks discussed on Phil's Gang are not in any way a recommendation or solicitation to buy, sell, or hold. If considering acting on information presented, we first recommend you seek out a competent, licensed professional for advice. Get ready for the radio show that tells you what Wall Street doesn't want you to know.
Oh, I'm a money magnet. Money, money, money's coming to me. Money sets me free. I'm a money magnet. Money, 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 money's coming to me.
It's your daily dose of how to manage your money. And now it's time for Phil's Gang on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. With your host, Phil Grande.
Overall, the U.S. economy appears likely to expand at a moderate pace over the second half of 2007, with growth then strengthening a bit in 2008.
Now, that's Ben Bernanke. That was back in 2008. He was the head of the Federal Reserve. And then back then, we also had Hank Paulson, the Treasury.
Remember, our economy has got very strong long-term fundamentals, solid fundamentals.
Yeah, and remember what happened in 2008 when they both told us that? The market crashed. Isn't it interesting? We're hearing the same stuff today. They're lying again. Listen, this is Powell. He took the place of Bernanke.
We have an economy where the expansion is continuing, growth is at a healthy level, the labor market is strong, we see job creation, we see wages moving up, inflation is low, which gives us the ability to be patient. I see us on a good path for this year.
But
First, single-family housing starts fell 6.7% for the month, and we're down just over 10% annually to the lowest level in over 2 years.
wow, so housing is down, lowest level over 2 years, but what does he tell us? The economy's good.
We have an economy where the expansion is
He couldn't get it out. He's no different than Ben Bernanke in 2008.
Overall, the U.S. economy appears likely to expand at a moderate...
Yeah, see, he takes Bernanke's playbook, just repeats the same plays. A lie. So he's telling us how the economy is good, but housing shows up not very good. Now listen to what he says, Powell, about how healthy the economy is here.
The expansion is continuing, growth is at a healthy level.
Oh, really? Then why?
What we see today is that consumer spending growth has fallen to a 4.25-year low. So real personal income is actually slowing as well.
Yeah, so wait a minute. Hold on here. So see, it's all about lying. That's the cornerstone of Washington and Wall Street, which is one and the same, by the way. So they just lie to us instead of telling us the truth. And when someone lies to you and doesn't tell you the truth, you can't prepare for what's coming. That is the problem. This whole thing from 2008 to where we are today, 2019, remember the whole stock market, it's all been fake. All they did is cut interest rates to zero, give the money to the big boys, to the very wealthy, Wall Street, and they went out and went on a stock buying spree. Made a fortune, pushed the market up. Companies bought all their own stock back. That's all. They went in and bought their own stock, which pushed up their stock price. Stocks didn't go up because of good earnings. Stocks didn't go up because they were selling more goods. Stocks weren't going up because a company, instead of selling, let's say, a hat for $10, and it only cost them $5 to make. In fact, they were selling a hat for $10, but costing them $9 to make. So how did their earnings go up so much? Because all you do is buy your own shares back. This has been a whole lie. And they'll still sit there today and tell you a lie. I mean, this is amazing. The retirees, the people who are almost ready to retire, even 10 years from retirement, this is a crisis for you. Medicare, Medicaid, that probably won't be around. If it is, the only way they're going to support it, both Social Security, all that's broke. We're going to have to raise taxes. They're going to raise taxes, what they're going to do. I mean, think about retirement. The 401k has failed. There are some states now to help their people taking money out of their pay, putting aside, trying to invest it. Social Security, first of all, nobody should be paying Social Security. Get rid of the withholding tax. Social Security alone, you know what the government got, what they did for us as far as return on your Social Security money? The most we got was 2.2% return. Isn't that ridiculous? So the government steals our money. First of all, you should get rid of withholding tax because you shouldn't be taxing labor. Taxing labor is very cruel. Who the hell came up with the idea of taxing labor? That's crazy. Why would you tax somebody's labor? And then when they tax your labor and they take the Social Security, they tell you, oh, they put it in a box, some safety deposit box somewhere for you. And then when you retire, all that money is yours, which is a big lie. Because the minute money goes into Social Security, into that trust fund, that same second it hits, the computers suck it right back out, and Congress takes it and uses that money for building bridges to nowhere, or some ice skating rink in some congressman's name, or some library in some congressman's name. There's no money in that trust. And we're running out of money, not only with Social Security, but Medicare and Medicaid, all that. But the point I'm making is, you know, they just totally lied to us. And people sit there and listen to it, and they believe everything's okay. Here, listen to this. This drives me nuts.
The labor market is strong. We see job creation. We see wages moving up.
If job creation and wages moving up, then why this?
Americans are struggling to afford a summer vacation this year.
Yeah, 39 million people. They just came out. They did a survey. Can't take a vacation because their wages aren't moving up. See, the middle class is not going to be able to take a vacation because their wages didn't move up. The wages moved up for the working poor. They ended up getting $9 more an hour. That's good. I'm glad. But they don't spend. You got to get money. See, they take that money. They pay their back bills, which is good. That's fine. I agree with that. But remember, 40% of our working population of 157 million people make less than $31,000 a year. So they ended up getting $500 more a year. What good is that when you take a look at what they have to pay for health care? They screw them on health care, don't they? They screw you on rent, don't they? Look how fast your rent's going up. Look how fast your health care is going up. $500, that's gone. But they still tell us how everything is good.
We have an economy where the expansion is continuing.
Yes, because the expansion is continuing for who? Not the middle class. See, the expansion has to be with the middle class. The redistribution of wealth has to be with the middle class. Because it's the middle class who's the foundation of our economy. It's the middle class who creates small businesses. And without small businesses, the country doesn't thrive. It's the middle class who has the purchasing power when they get money. What does that mean? That means after they pay their taxes, they have enough money, pay their bills, they have enough money to go out and spend on a durable good. What's that mean? On a large TV or appliances or whatever. The working poor who got $9 more or $500 more a year, actually it was $480 more a year, he's always taking that money. And he's not, remember, spending is 70% of our GDP growth. Why do you think that when Larry Kudlow came out and said we're going to grow 4 to 5%, we didn't grow 4 to 5%? On an annual basis, remember, Obama grew the economy after 8 years 1.6%. Trump is on track right now at 2.8%. Yes, he's doing better, but we got to get to that 4 to 5%. You can't get there. You can't get there. Not with what the government is doing right now. The best thing to do is to stop with this withholding tax. Give the people, forget the Social Security withholding. Let the people take that pay. Let them go and invest themselves. Anybody could make more than 2.2% a year return. You have to be absolutely dumb if you can't find a place to invest money and make 2.2%. Anybody could do better than that. We'll talk more about that when we get back. This is ridiculous. The economy's great, all right. For who?
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
When the market's open, we watch the market all day long. And when we see there's an opportunity for a stock, and it's a stock that we've been following, there's a lot of stocks we put on our watch list, and it has to hit a certain criteria. Then when it does, we alert you. You immediately get an alert that says, we bought this stock, X stock, at $30. So you get an alert immediately. What's better than that? I mean, nobody does that for you. But the most important thing, they'll say, okay, here's why we're getting out now, or here's why we're taking profits. I think it's going to go down. Look, the most important thing is this. I want you to be prepared for when the market does tank or rally, that you're with us, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG. Join my gang right now, Phil's Gang. 877-600-GANG, and you'll be in position, and you'll sleep at night, and you don't have to worry.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Why pay thousands of dollars for a weekend seminar when for only $39.95 a month, philsgang.com provides all the daily market investing information you need to make profits in the stock market. With over 40 years of investing experience, only Phil Grandy and the philsgang.com team provide daily live investing webinars, up-to-the-minute market updates, all the investing educational videos you can imagine. Don't hesitate to learn, invest, and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, 877-600-4264.
Are you a Phil Grandy and Phil's Gang radio show fan? Have you often wondered, what is Phil's Gang? Well, this Saturday, May 4th, philsgang.com will host an online live new member drive webinar. That's right, join us this Saturday online at philsgang.com for a free webinar from 12 noon to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will explain and provide all the information you need to know about philsgang.com, find out who we are, what we do, how you can make profits in the stock market, and more importantly, find out how we save you money when the market is going down. That's this Saturday, May 4th, going to philsgang.com and join us for the Phil's Gang new member webinar from 12 noon to 1 p.m. Just go to the website, philsgang.com, click free webinar. Again, click free webinar at philsgang.com. More information, call 877-600-GANG. Again, 877-600-4264.
Remember, when this market crashed in 2009, it should have never crashed because the chairperson of these two committees, their job was to protect consumers, protect our investments, and they're supposed to ensure that our investments are being monitored. Where were they in 2009 and 2008? They weren't anywhere because they don't do that. They take care of themselves. They protect themselves. They become richer. So you can't depend on these crooks in Congress. The stock market is a great place to be, but you just got to know this is a different market than your grandfather's market. So why don't you, for 30 days, join my gang, 877-600-GANG, try it for 30 days, $39.95. Follow me. I tell you when to buy, when to sell, when to add, and when to run like hell. All I ask you, start making money. Please remember St. Jude.
Don't wait. Join Phil's Gang today and make profits. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
Does your money manager send you an alert when the stock position that you're in goes up or it goes down? Does your brokerage send you an alert to get out of a stock position so you don't lose money? Of course they don't. Here at philsgang.com, we keep all of our members engaged with the stock positions that we recommend. Nobody does that for their clients. Nobody. Go to philsgang.com and become a member to get up-to-the-minute alerts. That's philsgang.com. Stop losing money and start making money with Phil's Gang.
Welcome back. Are you a fan of the Phil's Gang radio show? Then you should check out philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. You know, it's amazing, isn't it? How every day these jibber jabbers, the Federal Reserve, they're trying to take parking space in our head that we're doing just terrific. And we know you're not doing terrific. Those who are making $125,000 more in a year are doing great because the tax cuts go to them. That's the federal government spends billions. We're told by our congressmen, our representatives, that the federal government spends billions of dollars to support long-term asset building. Really? Well, here's what they should tell you. It only works for those who are making $150,000 or more. Companies, the government, hey, look at the government. 2.2% return on Social Security? What are you, nuts? Government's not going to take care of you. They're not going to take your money, the money they take out of your pay, and they're not going to work on getting you good returns. Look at pension fund. Look at pensions. Now, pensions mostly are gone now, okay, except government pensions and city and state and that sort of thing. There's a few pensions around. They're all in the hole. They're in the hole. They've taken all that money. They don't even invest it right. It's in a hole. Company pensions are all in a hole. It's a crisis. Some people will not get all their pension. The pensions are going to go bust. And so, yes, the government has a little safety net. So if your pension was supposed to be $40,000 a year or $35,000 a year, you maybe get 15, 20% of it because the government takes it over. No one is going to take care of you except you. For people I've been in this business, I'm 73 years old, been in this business over 45 years, and let me tell you one thing I've learned. No one is going to take care, no planner is going to take care of you, no money manager is going to take care of you, nobody's going to take care of you. The 401k was a big lie, a big fraud. They took care of themselves. 401k was nothing but a fraud. The biggest skimming operation in the country. You don't have to believe me. Believe the guy who came up with the 401k.
I'm not trying to, by any means, say these are the greatest things that ever came along. They have no flaws, but whether it's Social Security or government-run pension plans or private pension plans or plans like 401k, they all got flaws. 401k was never intended, even its best, to be an adequate income, source of income for life or retirement.
That's right. He's the one who started the 401k, and he says, look, this was never designed for retirement. Remember, you got duped. When they started to decide, when all the big boys, when Wall Street decided to change our economy from a manufacturing economy to a financial economy so they could make more money, to keep lending you money. They got rid of manufacturing, shipped it all to Japan and China. You lost your high-paying jobs. And so then they decided to give you credit cards, give you easy credit. So now you're not making $50,000, you're making $30,000, but they'll give you enough credit so you think you're living the same lifestyle you were living on $50,000. Now that you're getting $30,000. Difference, they're holding you up with credit cards, for God's sakes. They're holding you up with car payments. Hey, no money down, no payment for 6 months, all that garbage. This 401k does not work. It doesn't. I'm sorry. I wish it did. Look, we need more money than ever to retire. But nobody's going to tell you that. Do you think these candidates, these liberal Democrats, these communists, these socialists, even the Republicans, Do you think any of them are going to help you? Do you think they get up in the morning and they say, I wonder how we can help America? No, they get up in the morning, I wonder how I'm going to get elected. I wonder how I'm going to raise money to get elected. That's what they think about. They don't think about you. They don't think about Americans need more money now to retire than ever before. They don't think about, hey, the 401k, the guy who came up with it, Ted Brennan, says it's no good. The 401k was never designed for retirement. We need something else. No, what do they want to do? Oh, what's on their mind, these congressmen? Here, let's tune in. Let's hear. Here's Nancy Pelosi talking about Barr. This is what's on their mind.
He lied to Congress. He lied to Congress. If anybody else did that, it would be considered a crime. Nobody is above the law, not the President of the United States and not the Attorney General.
Oh, so now she's saying, gee, this is important. Never mind your 401k, never mind your retirement, never mind any of that. What's important is boy, Nancy Pelosi says Barr lied. He's nobody's above the government. Nobody should get away with that. Wait a minute. What about Clapper? He got away with it.
Does the NSA collect any type of data at all on millions or hundreds of millions of Americans?
No, sir.
He lied. Did he go to jail? No. Feinstein, who called Barr a liar yesterday, remember when Clapper lied, he got caught? She comes on and makes an excuse. Listen to the excuse she makes for Clapper lying.
You can misunderstand the question. This is one of the dilemmas of talking about it.
Oh, you can misunderstand the question. I see. So let's go back to Clapper and the question. Let's see if we, the little people, the dopes, can understand this question.
Does the NSA collect any type of data at all on millions or hundreds of millions of Americans?
Whoa, that is a tough one. Let's think about that. Wow. Whoa, wait, let me see. Wow, that's a tough one. Let me see. I worked for the government, been working for the government for about 50 years. Let's see. Let me think about, boy, I must have misunderstood that one. And what does he say? I'll play it. It's gone. But anyways, listen, he turns around and he lies. And then she covers it up.
You can misunderstand the question.
Yeah, did you misunderstand the question to Clapper? This unbelievable. But now they're going after Barr because he lied, and Pelosi, nobody's above the law. But wasn't Clapper above the law? Look. These people in Washington, this is what they're thinking about. They're not thinking about you. So there's an alternative. And I'm going to give you that alternative this Saturday, free, between 12 and 1. Free. So make sure you sign up, okay? Make sure you put your reservation in. Go to my site, philsgang.com right now, okay? And it's going to be from 12 to 1, an introductory webinar, what we do, explain how we do it, and how we're going to help you. It's free. Sign up right now, or you can call 416-6001.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
Are you a Phil Grandy and Phil's Gang radio show fan? Have you often wondered, what is Phil's Gang? Well, this Saturday, May 4th, philsgang.com will host an online live new member drive webinar. That's right, join us this Saturday online at philsgang.com for a free webinar from 12 noon to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will explain and provide all the information you need to know about philsgang.com, find out who we are, what we do, how you can make profits in the stock market, and more importantly, find out how we save you money when the market is going down. That's this Saturday, May 4th, going to philsgang.com and join us for the Phil's Gang new member webinar from 12 noon to 1 p.m. Just go to the website, philsgang.com, click free webinar. Again, click free webinar at philsgang.com. More information, call 877-600-GANG. Again, 877-600-4264.
No matter if the market is up or the market is down, Phil Grandy and his Phil's Gang members prepared for market volatility and making profits.
Cisco in April, we're up 4%. We just got in that in April. Lockheed Martin, we're up now 7%. Facebook, we bought April 9th, we're up 10%. Morgan Stanley, we're up 11%. WLL, we bought April 1st, we're up 19%. And let's take this year, the Spiders, the S&P 500, we are up 16%. Apple, we're up 26%. Railroad, CSX, we're up 17%. And at the end of the day, when the market keeps going up and up and up, and you're in that market, you're never out in time. You ride it all the way back down, especially with your 401ks. Let's change that today. 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Let's change it today.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1 percentile? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. With the philsgang.com membership, we bring investors right to the floor, into the pits with Phil's daily live webinar classroom. Get inside market guidance on investing strategies. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Don't have time to analyze and study stocks? At philsgang.com, we recognize that there are all types of investors, and we also recognize that your time is valuable. So we offer investing programs for all individuals. We offer investing programs for long-term and short-term positions. And philsgang.com provides quick and easy to understand investing videos that only take a few minutes to watch. With the philsgang.com investing programs, you will learn technical stock charting, how to execute your trades, and most importantly, you will gain the confidence to know when to get out of a stock and take profits. Sign up at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or give them a call, 877-600-GANG. Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com. philsgang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. philsgang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG. Welcome back. This segment is brought to you by the MaxVest 1000 stock charts. For more information, go to philsgang.com. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Okay, so if you want to get this free webinar, it's from 12 to 1 o'clock Eastern Time. It's this Saturday. Go to my site right now, philsgang.com, and reserve a space for you online. It says free webinar. Click on that, and then you'll have your reservation. Okay, you have to have a reservation, okay, to get in. So there it is. Go to philsgang.com. If you need to call, that's all right. 877-600-GANG. I gave you the wrong number last time. Sorry about that. 877-600-GANG. Look, there is an alternative to a 401k. Look, All I will prove to you on Saturday, and within 1 hour, that what we do works. Because this is not your father's market, your grandfather's market. Those days where you depend on a planner. Now wait, planners, yes, you need tax planning, you need that sort. I agree with all that. But your problem is you don't have enough money. But the money you do have, you're not getting enough return. Because the money you have in your 401k, when this market crashes, it's going to go down again. You never got out of your 401k in 1987. You never got out of your 401k before the dot-com crash. You never got out of your 401k before the housing financial crash. Why do you think you're so lucky you're going to get out of your 401k before the QE rally we're in now crashes? Do you think things have changed? Do you think these people in government, do you think these people that run for these 401ks and these managers, and when they have no fiduciary relationship with you, that's the laugh.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
So you got a 401k, you got your savings in it, and now you find out he has no fiduciary relationship. He has nothing. Listen, he's not responsible at all.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
Yeah, partners and shareholders, not you. He has no responsibility. So he makes 50 to 70% of the money that you put in. His commissions are huge. That's why they don't let you out. That's why they don't let you, when the market starts collapsing, they don't let you mitigate that loss like we do by putting yourself into a position that as the market's going down, you're making money, because they only make money when the market goes up, because they get 60, 70% of the pot. When it's $1 million, they get 60, 70%. When it's $2 million, $5 million, $20 million, their job is to keep trying to grab money from you and keep building the pot. They're not going to let you out, and they have no fiduciary relationship. Think of all the years since 1929 when the market crashed. From 1929 to 2019, we still can't get Wall Street to agree to a fiduciary relationship. They said, no way. Because they're out for themselves. That's why the 401k is the worst thing that ever happened. 27 hidden fees. Most people don't even think there's fees attached. But here's the key. Nearly half of Americans nearing retirement age have less than 25 grand. And whatever you have in there, you're not growing it. And when you do grow it, just by osmosis, just by the fact that the market by momentum's going up, and you feel good, you think, oh, my 401k is up, you will not get it. They're not going. The guy who's getting 60, 70% is not going to call you and tell you to get out, is he? If you're in a 401k and it's grown from $1 million to $3 million, and the guy gets 60, 70% of that growth in commission, do you think he's going to call you and tell you to get out? That's like cutting his own pay. That's like taking a pay cut. So here's the alternative. See, when the 30s and 40s, the 50s, the 60s, they used to take care of you because they got big commissions. $150, $200. They took care of you like your doctor. You could trust them. They were on your team. They would find companies the values went down to, got crushed. Values got crushed, but they knew it was only management of the company that crushed it. They knew the company, the fundamentals of the company were terrific. They just had to put in new management. And then we would find those companies that were undervalued, buy them, and they would rebuild them. And we'd hold on to that stock for 10, 15, 20 years. That was buy and hold. Those days are gone. With the age of the computer, there's no more buy and hold. Do you really think that Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley and all these buy and hold? They got computers set up on Wall Street right next to Wall Street's computers. They even front run. They do more day trading than anything else. Oh, they tell you something different. The brochures. Oh, by the way, the brochures, you pay for those too. It's hidden, but you pay for the brochure. You come Saturday. And we're going to show you. Like I said to you, we're up 17% in CSX. We're up 16% in the Spiders. Costco 14%. Apple 26%. I could go on and on, but that's not important. Anybody can do that. Anybody could go up that. But in this market, when it goes up now 90% of the time because it's rigged to go up through stock buybacks. But here's the key, is to get out with that money. And I'm going to show you how we do it with a simple chart. And they always got you in the wrong stocks. They always put you in the stocks that benefit them in the 401k, that benefit the manager and benefit the company. They're not benefiting you. So we have a program for people that are so busy they can't learn, they don't have time to learn. And we have 5 individual stocks, and we just added to the individual stocks. We add, because ETFs are so popular, we just added to our 5 stocks, we added the ETF for semiconductors, for the big tech stocks like the FANG stocks and Apple and Oracle, the basket. We also added industrials like Lockheed Martin, that whole group, UPS, that group, that basket. And we added materials, and we added retail. So we got 3 different groups, and that's all we do here at Phil's Gang. And if you decide you want to be an activist investor, you want to really be a trader and run that trading, well, we have that for you too. This will be all explained to you this Saturday within 1 hour. What do we do? The easiest program is you do what we do here at Phil's Gang. Just follow our stocks, what we do. Copy what we do. At 2 o'clock, when we tell you to take Schlumberger, and we give you instructions on Schlumberger, remember, the members are in this stock, and the stock's going down right now. So you'll get instructions on Schlumberger what to do. If you just follow the instructions on Schlumberger, you don't have to learn anything. You just follow the instruction. So come Saturday, we'll explain that to you. It's an easy system where you're going to enjoy it. It's fun. And what you're going to find is with the same ease that the stock market goes up and you're making money, you're going to, with the same ease, mitigate any losses when the market goes down. And if anyone's telling me you don't think the market's ever going to crash again, the only thing that's been holding up this market is stock buybacks. Stock buybacks. That's all. It's called QE. They printed all this money. To make sure interest rates went down to near zero. Now, the minute they moved it up to 2.5%, we had a 20% crash. Remember? In October? We still are at that 2.5%. Yesterday, they were all upset because Powell came out yesterday. All the investors thought yesterday, he was going to say he's going to cut rates again. He didn't. He said we're going to stay with those 2.5% for quite a while. Now, remember, that 2.5% is what killed the economy. Is why we can't grow. Because at 2.5% interest rate, remember, corporations have been living on zero rates. Zero rates. But it doesn't matter if the rates are 0, doesn't matter if the rates are 10, doesn't matter if the rates are 2, because all we do is follow the cash. We'll show you how that works within that 1 hour. Your eyes are going to open wide, and you're going to say, God, I wish I knew this a long time ago. So right now, get your spot. Go to philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG, and make sure you have your reservation so you can get in. Okay. So I killed that enough, then I beat that to death. Well, because I believe in it. I understand what's going on. I understand most of you think your 401ks you're so rich now that you're just going to retire with all kinds of money. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't. Okay, we're here to help you. You help the kids of St. Jude. That's what this is all about.
Want more information on this show? Go to philsgang.com or give them a call at 877-600-GANG.
philsgang.com is not the only way you can stay in touch with what we do throughout the day. With today's social media, you can stay up to date with Phil's Gang current events. You can find Phil's Gang on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and more. Phil's Gang Radio Show is broadcast live Monday through Friday from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Facebook, Periscope, and, of course, YouTube. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Go to philsgang.com and find our social media buttons at the top left-hand corner of the site. philsgang.com and Phil's Gang Social Media, keeping you connected.
Short on time but want to invest in the stock market? Let philsgang.com help you. For only $39.95 a month, you get complete access to all of Phil's powerful investing programs, videos, and resources.
That works for me. Log in, watch the videos, and make profits.
Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. philsgang.com.
Hannah complained of a headache. It was a rhabdomyosarcoma. Within a few days, Hannah was in treatment because we were told that the tumor was very aggressive. And it very quickly became clear that St. Jude was the ultimate place to be. So we've essentially put our lives in South Africa on hold. Incredibly blessed to be here. St. Jude is an asset to the world. The research that is developed here is offered freely to the rest of the medical world. The entire way that the place operates is just to give and to care. I think it's the kind of place that not only stands as a beacon for pediatric cancer, but I think it could teach the world a couple of lessons about how to treat people. And I think if those lessons could be learned even in their most basic form, this world could be a better place.
St. Jude Children's Research Hospital. Finding cures, saving children. Learn more at stjude.org.
Does your money manager send you an alert when the stock position that you're in goes up or it goes down? Does your brokerage send you an alert to get out of a stock position so you don't lose money? Of course they don't. Here at philsgang.com, we keep all of our members engaged with the stock positions that we recommend. Nobody does that for their clients. Nobody. Go to philsgang.com and become a member to get up-to-the-minute alerts. That's philsgang.com. Stop losing money and start making money with Phil's Gang.
PhilsGang.com has taught thousands of people from all walks of life how to invest and make profits in the stock market. PhilsGang.com can help you generate extra income, maximize your retirement financial savings, and teach you how to avoid costly investing mistakes. With the Phil's Gang membership, you get all the comprehensive stock research and data, analysis tools, Phil's recommendations, and the professional customer support you need to make smarter, more profitable investing decisions. Don't wait. Call today, 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. 877-600-4264. Or go to philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. 877-600-4264. Did you know Phil Grandy hosts a daily live stock market investing webinar class? Never miss a beat with the market and your investments. Learn, invest, and profit with philsgang.com. Call 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-GANG.
Hi, I'm Phil Grandy, philsgang.com. Are you tired of being lied to about some magical economic recovery that only benefits the 1%? And then when the market does collapse, you're sitting there calling your broker, what do I do? When you should be shorting? Learn how to short the market. Continue to listen to my radio show, philsgang.com. Become a member, only $39.95 a month, and learn how to short.
Don't wait. Find out more at philsgang.com or call 877-600-GANG. That's 877-600-4264. Welcome back. Are you ready to make profits in the stock market? Why not check out philsgang.com or give us a call at 877-600-4264. Now, here's Phil.
And welcome back to Phil's Gang. Remember, make sure you sign up. You get your reservation. Go to my site right now, philsgang.com, for our free webinar, Saturday, 12 to 1. And we're going to identify for you what we do. Here, I'll give you an example. In the second quarter, just started here, second quarter, okay, our 5 stocks, if you take a look, if you take the first quarter, we were up, the gang members, okay, in the first quarter, we're up 15%. But that's not, again, that's no great feat. Everybody's up. People in 401ks are up. We just started our second quarter. We're up. Intel, we're up 15%. Now, these are our 5 stocks. Our 5 stocks are up 3%, 6%, 10%, 6%, 5% since the start of the second quarter, April 1st. But that's okay, because they're just going to keep buying their own stocks and market keeps going up. But here's the key. Here's what people don't get. A lot of you are going to sit there and question, say, well, gee, my 401k is up. I'm doing great. Really? Let me ask you, how did you do with your 401k when the market crashed in 2008? How'd you do? Did you get out before it crashed? Did you short it? You couldn't short it because it's against the law to short it. Your money manager didn't say, let's mitigate any loss. Let's turn our position and short it. Did they do that for you? No, they didn't. Anyone that tells me they didn't lose money in their 401k, everybody said, and everybody had the same thing happen to them, whether it was the .com or whether going into the housing con, they're all making money in their 401ks and they gave it all back, at least 50, 60% of it back. If you don't believe me, listen to this.
I was close to $500,000 I had in my 401k with company stock. You know, it was like, wow, look at all the money we have. Look at what is happening. You know, I can retire probably when I'm 45.
Skoczynski not only lost her savings, she lost her job.
The day I got laid off, I lost it. I thought, oh my God, I'm a single parent. I have no job. I have a house payment. What do I do? You know, and I was scared, really scared. I didn't have much of a retirement left. And it was just something that I never foresaw, ever. You know, losing my job, ever. Never.
See, these people never think about what happens when the market starts crashing. If anyone tells me when the market crashes, they're fine with their 401k. If anyone tells me that in the crash, the .com crash, and then in the housing financial crash of 2008, they did fine with their 401k. No, you didn't. First of all, even as the market's going up, you're not doing fine. Because guess what? The fees kill you. I'm not making it up. The fees, go check it out. They take nearly half of your money with the fees. There's 27 hidden fees. Why would Ted Bennett say it was never a program for retirement? You were duped.
401k was never intended, even its best, to be an adequate income, source of income for life or retirement. 401.
He's the guy that invented it. They duped everybody. The 401k was never intended to be for retirement. And here's the problem. The 401k, if you're going to be, if you look, the problem is you can't protect yourself when the market goes down. You can't protect yourself from the 27 hidden fees. You can't protect yourself. So I'm not trying to convince you to get out of your 401k. I'm trying to convince you I got an alternative you should look at. That you're not depending on some money manager. You're not depending on a guy that has no fiduciary relationship. Your money manager, you're depending on a guy who's got this sentiment.
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
So you're happy with that? You're in a 401k, you're up now, you think you're making money, you don't think it's ever going to come down again, and this guy has an attitude like this?
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it. Our responsibility begins...
And you're comfortable with that. Look, I'm not trying to get you away from your 401k. I'm telling you, we have an alternative that works. I designed a chart. You'll see it on Saturday. It's a color-coded chart. Our algorithms, it works beautifully for our gang members. Just be a little open-minded. Be open-minded to the fact that when the market does crash, you lose money. But people in 401ks, they're young. They don't understand that. They haven't been through a crash yet. But let's not just think of crashing. Yes, that's important that you don't get caught. So when the market does go down, the market crashes, you're on the right side. Let's think about building money. That's the problem. Your planners are telling you when you retire, gee, instead of 2 cars, you need 1 car. Instead of going out to dinner once a week, you should go out to dinner once a month. They always are cutting you back. Well, wait a minute. You didn't sign up for that when you worked for 20 years, 30 years, did you? No, you can't travel like you thought you were going to travel all over the United States with your wife. No, you can't do that. You can maybe take a trip once every other year. That's not what you signed up for. You have control. You need control. You don't have a 401k control. With a 401k, you have no control. Go check out the small print. You have no control. When the market starts crashing at 9:30 in the morning and they tell you, I'm sorry, I can't do anything for you until the market closes or near like 1 minute before the market closes. So all of a sudden you're down 30%, you're down 20%, but they can't do anything, they say. Why can't they do anything? If the market starts crashing at 10 o'clock, why do they have to wait to 10 to 4?
Our responsibility begins and ends with our partners and our shareholders, and that's it.
Because that's who they get out. They don't go get you out. They get their institutions out first. But I could sit here for 10 days and people, I'll never get it across. People believe in 401ks. They're like cattle. It's like when I drive down the street to work, right? And everybody's in the same lane. I look to the right, and the whole lane is empty. So I go to the right, and I just shoot right down. And I look, and there's like 50, 60 cars in a line. They all follow each other like dopes. It's like a dope drive. They're all dopes. Maybe they're all doped up in the morning. I don't know. Why the hell are there 50 cars, one behind the other, when the right-hand lane is totally empty? Drives me nuts. It's the same thing with investing. Look, I'm not saying investing's easy, but at least if you say, I always tell my members, stay with 5 individual stocks. We have a portfolio of 5. We're in those now for over 2 years. The first quarter, we're up 15% compared to the S&P 10%. I'm not saying every gang member is up that. I can't say that because I don't take their money and trade it for them. What we do is our 5 stocks, we tell them when to execute. Real easy. They haven't got to do a thing. So if somebody doesn't follow my instructions, I can't help that. But if you follow my instructions, you'll be just fine. But you'll learn all about this. And the other thing, if you're a person that's making $60,000, $70,000, you and your wife, the 401k will kill you because of the fees. The fees are a killer. But if you do this on your own, why can't you take 5 stocks? Why do you have to have it with a portfolio on 5 stocks? Or how about how about just the 3 most important ETFs? Small mid-cap stocks, IWM, XLF, the banks, SMH, the semis. If all you do is follow us in those 3 indices, those 3 ETFs, and you follow our instructions right to the T, when to buy, when to sell, when to add, when to run like hell, you'll be fine. So all I'm doing is reaching out to you, and I hope you make money with this. I know you'll make money with this. At least let me offer you the opportunity. Let me explain what we do. Most people don't even know what we do. So this is going to be an opportunity to explain to you what we do, how we do it. We give you an opportunity. You make up your mind. And then if you do make money, which you will, please remember St. Jude. All right, here's the number, 877-600-GANG, 877-600-GANG. Reserve your reservation or go to my site, philsgang.com. Click on where it says webinar. Absolutely free. So we're going to have a lot of fun doing this. Okay, so at the end of the day today, what do we got? The market continues to struggle. Why? Because the market, remember, went back up after going down 20% with high interest rates. How can it continue? I'll tell you that tomorrow. So tune in. Sign up right now, 877-600-GANG.
You have been listening to Phil's Gang with your host, Phil Grandy, on the Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Off the Wall Street Radio Network. Remember to visit Phil's website at philsgang.com. That's philsgang.com. Or call the office, 877-600-4264. That's 877-600-4264.
It's up to me to